This is one of my test server having OS RHEL 8.5. Here, whenever I wanted to edit the resolv.conf to add the DNS IP, it is giving me error. Let me show you. Here I wanted to add the DNS. You can see warning changing a read-only file. It is showing that this is a read-only file. Okay, it is not allowing me to add the DNS IP. So in this video, we are trying to solve this error, and why it is giving me error, we will try to solve. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like, share and comment. So you can see here, I am using the normal user with sudo command to edit the resolv.conf. Now if we will check the permission of that resolv.conf file, ls-l /etc, you can see there is no permission error for this file because user having the right permission. Okay, so we can able to write the uh, we can able to edit the resolv.conf, but it is not allowing me to do that. We will try to do the same thing with root user. You can see here I am using the root user. Now try to edit the configuration file vi etc 1 same error you can see here, warning changing a read-only file. It is showing that resolv.conf is a read-only file, ls-l /etc resolv.conf. There is no permission related issue. Okay, so we will try to solve this error. Why this happening? Let me clear the screen. Here we have to understand that we have to execute a command lsattr /etc resolv.conf. You can see another permission is there. This is I means immutable. Okay, immutable permission is added for the resolv.conf. So what is immutable permission? Immutable permission means it will not allow to edit a file even if we are using the root user. That means root user also unable to write a file when immutable permission is added to a file. Okay, now I need to remove the immutable permission. To do that, I have to use chattr minus I etc resolv.conf. Now again check the permission. Immutable permission is removed. Now if we'll try to edit, you can see there is no error now. Now we can able to write the configuration file. You can see, so we are successfully able to edit the configuration file. So here we have to understand that whenever immutable permission is applied to a file, configuration file, it will not allow to edit the file even if we are using the root user. Okay, and if you wanted to if you want to know more about the immutable permission, please message me so that I can record another video about the immutable permission in details. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.